Hi, Year 3s. So we're in day 2 of our information report writing. And today we're going to be focusing on planning and research. So before you start this, you should have chosen which animal you would like to research. I have actually chosen an insect, which is bees. And the reason I chose bees is because they are incredibly important to our environment and our survival. I'm going to show you today how you're going to research information. So research just means look for information on a particular topic. There are different places you can look for information. You can look on the internet, which is what we will be doing today. You can look through books. If you have books at home about your specific animal, perfect. Like factual books, so real information. And you can look through, like even sometimes in papers. Okay, now the planning part is how you will be. This will come later once you've done your research, but the planning is writing down important facts that you will later place in your information report. Okay, now that we know which animal we got, tick, let's get started on the research part. Okay, so what I've done here, I've actually prepared all of that, and I'm going to walk you through it. Okay, so before you start, I'd like you to get an A4 piece of paper. Before you start your research, you can do that after you watch the video. I'd like you to prepare an A4 piece of paper, and we'll do a writer's notebook page for that will carry facts about our chosen animal. So you're going to take your A4 page and you're going to separate it into little sections like this. Now, first you can draw a little picture in the middle that says bees or whatever you'd like it to say. But this is how you'd separate your page. We'd like you to do today 15 to 20 different facts about your animal. So make sure you have at least 15. So you need to do 15. You can do more if you want, okay? So make sure you got 15 of these little spots, okay? For you to do your information report and record your information. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you're going to research. So once you have chosen what animal or insect you are going to research, you are going to do some researching on the internet. So I'm recording my iPad, but you would use the same thing on a browser like Chrome or Firefox. So I'd click into my Safari, and then if you don't have Google already open, all you do is type on the top and type in Google, and when it opens, all I'm going to type in is facts about bees. Okay, you could type in, see how it says here for kids as well, you could type in for kids. The facts are a little bit more broken down, it is easier, so I would recommend that if you wanted. Now, you have to be really careful which websites you're getting your information from. Okay? So I look at this first one that comes up with the picture, and it's sciencelearn.org.nz. Anything with .org is a pretty good website to get information from. Nat Geo Kids, I'm not sure. National Geographic's Kids. That is a really good website. So anything from National Geographic's would be really good true facts. 10 facts about honeybees. There you go. Okay, so I am going to scroll down over this. So now that I've found some information, I'm going to start writing it down on my writer's notebook page. Okay. So if I just sort of read through some of that information, if the queen bee dies, workers will create a new queen by selecting a young larva and feeding it special food called royal jelly. This enables the larva to develop into a fertile queen. Interesting. Now I know that the queen bee, her only job is to lay eggs. So I didn't actually know how they replace her. Honeybees are fabulous flyers. They fly at speed around 25 kilometers per hour and beat their wings 200 times per second. Actually, that's a pretty cool fact that I'm going to record. Now, please don't record word for word unless you have to. Okay, so I don't need to write that they're fabulous flyers. I can actually add, something like that in my own writing later in different words. So the most important fact here is that they fly at a speed. So honeybees fly at a speed. Now that I can copy word for word because I don't need to reword that. 25 kilometers per hour. Now the other fact that I thought was really cool, and I can separate this one fact into two. Honeybees beat their wings 200 times per second. Oh my god. Per second when flying. Okay, so two different facts. And I do like this fact about how they make a new, but I'm going to look for a big area where I can write it. When the queen bee dies, a new one is selected by selecting a young larva. And if I don't really know what that means, I can always look it up later. And feeding it royal jelly. Okay. I can always look up these facts more later, so I'm just writing them down now. Now I might go to a different website. A little bit. And then when I get to writing down my information, I can pause my video where I want to write down some facts. Okay? But for now, I'm going to go back. Okay? And then I'm going to look at a different website. Okay. I might go into this science in New Zealand. Okay. Alright, so I'm just scrolling through some facts. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now that I have a different website up, I'm going to see if I can find some interesting facts that I want to put in my writer's notebook page. Okay, so I read this first one. All worker bees are female. I'm going to write that down because I think that's interesting. All worker bees are female. I don't need to reword that because it's such a small, short fact that I don't need to reword it. Oh, look at that. Bees don't want to sting you because they die. You know how we're always so scared of bees? That's really interesting. Bees don't want to sting you. Want to sting people, I'll reword it, because they die after the sting. Okay, so you sort of get what's happening here. You're going to go to different websites and you're going to go find different information on your animal and you're going to put them into your writer's notebook page, okay? And that is what your task is for today, that you actually find 15 to 20 different facts about your chosen animal. 3 things to be really careful of. Please do not repeat information, okay? So if on one website you find all worker bees are female and a different website says the same thing, please check that you already didn't write that down, because when you get to the writing part, you're just going to have a lot of the same information and you're not going to have enough information to do your report. Second thing to remember is, and this is very important, if there's a word that you copied but you don't understand what it means, make sure it's underlined in your writer's notebook. So let's look at something like when the queen bee dies, a new one is selected by selecting a young larva. If that's really hard, you don't know what that means, please underline it. And then when it comes to the writing, you can go research it. You can go research it right away or you can do it later. But it's really important that you underline anything you don't understand, because when it comes to the writing, you'll be able to look it up and actually make sense of your information report. So your job, I will show you the two different ones that we have done. These are two that have already been completed. This is Ms. Barker's turtle page, which I really, really love. She's got 15 facts about turtles. And honestly, I would prefer for you to do it this way. Okay, this is the way I've modeled it for you. The other option is the way I've done it. This is mine. If anyone has seen my writer's notebook page, I actually use it as a sketchbook as well because I like to draw. So what I've done, I've actually used flowers. I drew flowers already, and then anything that would fall under the same category, I would put on the same flower. So I was already trying to put it into categories. I'm giving you both options, but I would really prefer for you to do it, if you can, like Ms. Barker's, because I think this one is easier sort of to navigate and look through information later. Okay, so your job today is find and write down 15 to 20 facts about your animal. Okay, the way we had it in the writer's notebook page. And then you're going to upload that as a seesaw activity that you will have under your activities. Okay, you have to have 15 facts. If you want to do more, perfect. But you absolutely have to have 15. All right, good luck, guys.